Basically, to use the product hunt tool, you first would need to turn on incognito mode. This would make the searches really quick and it would not save anything. Then you would need to also turn on max mode because max mode would make it so the searches happen even more quickly. And then on max mode, you can search up to 2000 products. After that, for demonstration purpose, I would go to 100 and then I would search up PDF and I will click search. Now it would go through the products and it would find them all, and then now it would start the demand search where it would get the demand number for each product. Now that's done, we can just go on and see an example. You can see here when I click add to cart, the number is 61, which is the same as 61 here. We can do another example. I want to add this to cart. You can see it says 8, which also matches 8. So basically, you can now see the demand of each product. And then you can also filter by review count using this number. So low to high or high to low. And then you can also filter by rating. So low rating and high rating. So now the next mode that I would be talking about is non-max. What non-max basically does is gets all the detail for every single listing that comes up here. So now if I click search again, it would take a bit more time, but it would get you more detail and more filtering options. Alright, all the detail has come, and now we can wait for demand. By default, it would be from age newest, which would be high, to oldest, which would be low. So basically, this listing is the newest listing in this whole batch of 37. And then when we go to low, this is the oldest listing. You can see 2018 in this whole batch of 37. So you can also now filter by price, and then you can filter by favorites. So this number, you can do views, which would be this number, 592,000. And then you can also do rating, so this number. And you can do reviews, so this number again, review count. And then you can also do quantity, which would be, well, this number, 986. So if I go here, that is 953, so that's lower. So yeah, and then every time you click on a product, it would basically get more detail, and then it would show you all the tags, description, title, all the variations, images, and also the reviews for the product. There's only one here. And then you can also favorite the product, because after you favorite it, it would then come into quick thoughts where you can find all your quick thoughts and quick favorites. So basically this is the one that I just did right now. If we click on here, it would copy the listing ID, and if we just click on here, it would pop up the quick product research tool, which would basically show us all the details of the listing quickly and also give you the whole JSON, which basically is every single detail about the product from Etsy's perspective. And then you can also do any type of listing ID searches. So if I do here, and then I just search this up, and then you can see it gets that. So then the third quick tool is the quick keyword search, which basically lets you search keywords, and this is actually really accurate because the data is directly from Etsy. So if I just close these, basically these will always be saved, by the way, except for the quick product search, it would always reset. And then you can also write your thoughts where if you write anything and you close it, you can always view it back later. So now the best way to use it would be to go here. What I would do is filter by age, the newest listing, and then I would also filter by newest one, which is this, and then I just go around and yeah, just search up in the quick search tool, for example 2026 monthly planner, and you can see the volume is 3000, which is an addition of all these values, and then competition is 123,000 listings for this specific keyword. So then you can just go around, you can try to find listings, then you can just search them up here and try to find keywords and niches which are low in competition and high in volume. I hope that was helpful. Yeah.